First of all, I have a great respect for what the filmmakers put themselves through to get this produced. They came to Wisconsin as young women with hardly 2 nickels to rub together, thinking that they were going to be here for a limited period of time for a particular case, and it turned into a 10-year journey for which they had little support until very late in the process when another young woman who had signed on as the new projects director at Netflix said, I think I kind of like this. And wham, it took off like a rocket. So I have a great appreciation of what they've done. I think at a second level, the creation of this movie adds to a mix that's now occurring in the media that's bringing the people of the world that we live in closer to what actually happens in their courts and what happens to people who deal with the justice system, and that's all to the good.
In the state, from a municipal judge on up to Supreme Court justice, is elected, and yet turnout is very low in those elections. As a practical matter, lawyers and law enforcement people are the principal voting blocks in judicial elections and in sheriff's elections, district attorney's elections. So voter participation is essential, and I think probably in the end, the most important thing people can do is rethink their reaction to the jury summons and to their role, the only participatory role we really get in the third branch of government. You haven't been drafted. You haven't been asked to go to Afghanistan for 18 months and have people shooting at you or trying to blow you up. You have, though, been given an opportunity to come in, to serve honestly, and to defend the very same values that our veterans defend, the very same core values of this country, and it's only going to take a few days of your life and no one's going to shoot at you.
Finger on something that's very important, which is the way in which our system of justice, which is so primary to what we do, is underfinanced. Not only the defense function, but throughout the system we can stand an upgrade, we can stand a qualitative community conversation about the fundamental importance. What does government do that's more important than pursue justice?